Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Backpacker Adda. So it's a Saturday weekend. We all guys plan to go for Lemon Beach today, and it has been a very long time I went outside because I was occupied with more of work. And today we met few Kannadigas here in Mauritius, and all are from all who can speak Kannada. And we are going to Lemon Beach, which is one of the famous beach in Mauritius. It is very famous in the world. It comes 12th rank, in the world's most famous beach, most beautiful beaches in the world, entire world. And I am standing here on the way to Lemon, and this route is towards Lemon. And if you can see the wonderful view, hillside view backside of me, so you're able to see, because the weather is kind of a very cold and chilled weather here, and it is raining sometimes, and you're able to see the fog over there also. So amazing this weather and amazing vibes as well. Just reached Lemon Beach and we parked our vehicle just now, and we are just standing in front of a Lux Grand Hotel. That is one of the luxurious hotel in Lemon Beach, and we are about to go to the public beach here, and we're just gonna enjoy the view and swim for some time. Let's see how it goes. So this is the Lux Lemon Hotel, one of the luxurious stay in Lux Hotel in Lemon. So this is the beach attached hotel. So you can see amazing property, and damn costly it is. Just enjoying this weather. What else you want in life? Amazing beach view with blue water and this fog and hillside view and bunch of amazing vibes. There is a mountain marathon trail which is going on here, and which started in the morning at 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning today, and now it is 10:30, and it is distance which is covering 135 kilometers, and it is expected to end here. All the participants who participated in this competition are going to end here. So in Lemon Beach, it started in the Belle Ombre, so it covers the distance of 135 kilometers, and it's gonna end it here by tomorrow evening, 6 p.m. And participants are, if they wanna take a rest in between, they can take a rest. So if they wanna keep on running for the entire 2 days, they can run. So it covers the 135 kilometers. So I don't know how exactly it takes for covering 135 kilometers of mountain run, because it will be very difficult and dangerous as well. We are just chilling in the beach. See, all the machas are here. Machi. So we are sitting on the bean bag. All participants are supposed to sit, but we are sitting as of now and enjoying this
time.
See, they have get ready with the water bottles and some food, fruits. You can see it here. So they have kept some biscuits and fruits as well. It is time to move from Lemon because it is raining too much and we are not able to spend some more time here, and all the restaurants are closed and we are damn hunger. So we will move to Flick and Flack beach from here, and on the way while we are coming to Lemon, and we passed Flick and Flack and as well as Tamarind beach. Tamarind beach is not that much good, it is okay kind of a beach. So we will be moving to Flick and Flack beach now from here. And Flick and Flack is also one of the famous beach in Mauritius, and I'm gonna take you guys to the Flick and Flack beach, and from there we will move to some other place. So everything is unplanned.